We'll guide you through how to check Printify shirt quality to ensure you're getting the best product for your needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the product catalog and select the shirt you're interested in. Each product page provides detailed information about the shirt, including the material weight and print technique. Scroll down to find the section that lists reviews from other sellers. These reviews often include feedback on the print quality and the fabric feel, which can be very insightful. Next, look for user uploaded images in these reviews. These can show you how the prints look on the actual product rather than relying solely on the mockups. If the shirt offers multiple print providers, take the time to compare them. Each provider may use different printing techniques or shirt brands, which can affect the overall quality. You can often see ratings specific to each provider based on other customers' experiences. To get a hands-on feel for the quality, consider ordering a sample. Printify allows you to order samples at a discounted rate, which is a fantastic way to physically check the print quality and the fabric before making a larger order. Finally, keep an eye on the Printify blog or community forums for any updates or changes to their product offerings. These resources can provide additional insights and updates on any improvements or changes in their print methods or materials. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.